Hey y'all, my name is Mariah. I am a stay-at-home mom and I have a dream of one day owning my own coffee shop. So this is me kind of starting from ground zero. For today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Rocket Appartamento. This is it here, so let's go ahead and get started. We ordered ours from Whole Latte Love. It came in a larger box for extra protection. We're going to have to just take that one off.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get this box out. It looks like it's maybe the accessories in here. Make a little room. Okay, so first things first, we have the paper manual, and it looks like there's some nice color illustration in there. Then a USB drive. Alright, let's see here. Have a drip tray, which goes along with the stainless steel look that Rocket makes. Let's go ahead and get this opened up. Okay, then we have the cleaning tabs, a polishing cloth to keep the stainless steel nice and clean, alright, and then we have the cup rail. This one's actually metal, so it's a little bit more sturdy. A cleaning brush to clean the group heads. Then we have the single portafilter. This is pretty heavy, which is nice. And then it comes with a double portafilter as well. And I believe that this piece right here can actually come off if you wanted to see your espresso pouring a little bit easier. But that's optional.
Okay, so I got it out of the box. Looks like the feet on this one came separate, so I'm gonna get everything put together on this, and then we'll be right back.
Okay, so this is what it looks like once it's all put together. So we have the E61 group head, the nice heavy-duty stainless steel all around. And this is a heat exchange machine, so that means you're able to brew and steam at the same time, which is a really nice benefit. You have the no burn steam wand. Overall, this is a really nice machine and I would highly recommend it. And if you've made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching.